Livestock producers know that supplementation is key to animal health. But what sets Beachport Liquid Minerals apart from the rest? Our unique formulation delivers more than just minerals. It's a carefully balanced powerhouse of nutrition designed to help livestock thrive year-round. Every dose combines trace elements, seagrass, kelp, and natural electrolytes, delivering 9 essential amino acids, 6 non-essential amino acids, 4 major elements, and 6 vital trace elements. This powerful combination improves feed conversion, addresses trace element deficiencies, reduces animal stress, aids in weight gain, and enhances conception rates, among many other benefits, ensuring livestock thrive year-round. Amino acids are the building blocks of protein, essential for growth, tissue repair, reproduction, and immunity. Animals can't produce the 9 essential amino acids on their own, so we make sure they get them. Here's how they help. Leucine aids in tissue repair and muscle growth. Isoleucine boosts muscle endurance and energy. Valine supports immune health and glycogen production. Lysine helps with calcium absorption for strong bones. Methionine promotes growth and hormone balance. Phenylalanine supports the nervous system and endorphin release. Threonine enhances immunity, bones, and coat health. Histidine, vital for growth and blood health. Arginine, essential for overall nutrition. 6 non-essential amino acids are also included, like alanine and glycine for energy, and proline, essential for phosphorus and calcium absorption, giving your livestock a well-rounded nutritional profile. Our products are packed with key elements, major elements like phosphorus, magnesium, potassium and sulfur, plus 6 vital trace elements including copper, cobalt, iodine, manganese, zinc and selenium. Our formula is enriched with fulvic acid, a natural chelating agent that enhances absorption, carrying over 60 plus minerals directly into cells. This minimises the need for additional urea, making our products more efficient. These powerful nutrients work together to boost your animal's health, enhance nutrient absorption from any feed, and support faster growth and higher productivity, making your operation more profitable. One easy dose into the water trough is all it takes using the Beachport Dispenser. Our unique chelation process keeps nutrients suspended rather than dissolving, ensuring even distribution across the trough for consistent intake. Protection from breakdown in the rumen and abomasum, effective delivery into the bloodstream via the small intestine. In the bloodstream, nutrients break down into simple molecules to ensure a slow, steady release over a 6-week period. This steady absorption prevents nutrient spikes, reduces the need for frequent dosing, and ensures long-term support for healthy growth, reproduction, lactation, and strengthening the immune system. Our products are rumen protected for maximum absorption, meaning they are not degraded in the rumen or affect the papillae. Every animal needs to drink, and they will drink to their weight, which ensures they get the dose they need. The Beachport Liquid Minerals dispensing system is simple, reliable, and cost-effective. The Beachport Dispenser works on air and water pressure to release the supplement over approximately 48 to 72 hours. Calculate the dose amount on the side of the drum. For example, when using white cap to dose 200 adult cattle, breeder units, the dose per head is 50 mils. 200 cattle by 50 mils per head equals 10 litres. Pour the required amount into an empty 5, 10 or 20 litre drum. For best results, add water to the drum up to 80%, allowing 20% for air. Never fill the drum completely. Simply screw the dispenser onto the top of the drum and place it upside down in the trough. The dispenser functions on air and water pressure. The 2 valves on the end are the outlet and the inlet. The drum moves freely in the trough as movement helps with the distribution of minerals. After 72 hours, you can collect the drum and dispenser, pour the contents of the drum into the trough and dose again in 6 weeks. Backed by science and proven in the paddock, Beachport Liquid Minerals delivers targeted nutrition, boosting livestock health with effortless application, reducing labour costs and maximising performance for a more sustainable and profitable future.